Exercise 5 from Law, Judges and Judiciary. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I am happy that this discussion is taking place on the question of the problem of arrears because there is no doubt that if this is the most serious problem that the entire system of administration of justice facing today, then it is the problem of arrears. Evidently, it is on account of these arrears that delays take place in settling the disputes, and if delays take place in settling the disputes, the very purpose of settling them really becomes difficult. If a person has a legal problem and somebody is contravening this legal right, unless he can have the redress within a reasonable time, hardly any purpose would be served by providing a procedure for redressal of grievances. I am entirely in agreement with the honorable member who has spoken on this half an hour discussion highlighting the problem of arrears pending in various courts. Now, sir, as I submitted in this house on the last occasion when this matter was being discussed in answer to a question I had pointed out, and I still maintain my view that the most important factor which is responsible for these delays in the high courts and of these growing arrears in the high courts is because of not having sufficient judge strength in the various high courts. Now, sir, I would choose the conference of the Chief Justices, the yardstick which has been uniformly accepted by every authority who has the experience of working in the high courts is that 650 cases per judge is a proper yardstick to be applied in determining the average. These are some big cases. There are some short cases and so on. The judges may also sit on benches. 2 judges may sit on a bench for hearing a case, but the overall calculation is that the total number of cases that are decided by a high court judge in 1 year results is an average of 650 cases per judge per year are considered as proper and reasonable rate of disposal and of working. Every year we know how many cases are being instituted. Of course, there are various factors responsible for the increase in the number of cases I had listed on the last occasion, by which the existing rights and liabilities of the people are being altered and so on. Stop.